I'm Allison with Simple Fantastic Kitchen. Do you want to make easy, fresh chocolate croissants in just minutes? Are you short on time but love homemade taste? Let's make a semi-homemade recipe today. That means it's semi-homemade and semi-store-bought. It is so easy, you will not believe it. For our chocolate croissants, you only need 3 ingredients, starting with a simple pre-made croissant dough. I'm using Pillsbury crescent rolls. You can use the smaller ones or the larger ones that they call grands. Both work equally well. We will be making the larger grands version today, but I will include the recipe adjustments for the smaller croissants in the description below. First, you should always follow the instructions on your pre-made dough package, as it varies from brand to brand. For our crescent rolls, we will preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Then have a non-greased baking sheet and a spoon. Let's open the dough. You start here, you peel, press, and pop. Now you just open it where it says start here, and you just keep peeling back. And here it says press spoon at the seam until can pops open. That's always a lot of fun. Now you just unwind the package, have a little plate to put it down onto. As you unwind the dough, triangles will become apparent. Here is our first triangle. Now, you're just gonna take semi-sweet chocolate chips. It's gonna be approximately 1.5 tablespoons per triangle, but you'll notice some of the triangles are a little bit larger, some are a little smaller, so you'll just vary it based on that. Some triangles you might put 2 tablespoons in on, some you might only put 1/2 tablespoon. You'll see. So this is a good sized one. So we're gonna do our full recipe, which is 1.5 tablespoons. And then you just roll it forward and you just make sure to keep the chocolate inside the dough. Some might pop out, that's okay. You roll it all the way down until the tip of the triangle is on the bottom. Then you're gonna take and you're gonna pinch the ends of your dough. That is to make sure that the chocolate does not come out while baking. And you have one beautiful croissant that is ready to go on the baking sheet. Keep rolling off the croissants. See, this is a very small one. So you're gonna maybe have like, 1/2 tablespoon, if that, for it. But it'll still be wonderful. With this one, where the base is debatable. So you just do your best with it, right? So I'm gonna decide to roll this way with it. By the way, this is a super fun project to do with kids. It's just a really fun, easy way for them to get into baking and to have a really great result come out of it. Okay, this one is like a little mini baby one. Each grand's package has 8 croissants in it. I think what happened was this piece and this piece were supposed to be one piece, but somehow they broke apart. So instead, we get 7 big croissants and 2 little croissants, which is kind of fun. Oh, beautiful. Our package says they should bake for 13 to 16 minutes. I found that the upper end works best for this dough so that the chocolate melts evenly and the croissants turn a lovely golden brown. But you should always keep an eye on yours to make sure they don't overcook. Let's go ahead and put ours in. You want them to be this lovely golden brown on the top, just like this. Now, you could just stop here and they would be absolutely delicious. But I highly recommend adding that 3rd ingredient as it takes the taste over the top. All you have to do is melt about 2 to 4 tablespoons of butter. You can easily do this in the microwave for a very short amount of time, like 20 to 30 seconds, no more than that. If there's still a little mountain of butter left over, that's fine. The heat of the surrounding butter will melt it in the next few minutes. Look, we have a little mountain of butter here as well. It's fine. Now, after they've cooled a little bit, remove the croissants from the baking sheet and put them onto a plate or serving tray. Ooh, they're still very nicely warm. You're going to want to keep them in a single layer like this so that we can properly butter it. Now take a pastry brush and thoroughly brush the tops of each croissant with the melted butter. You can go back in for a second pass if you have butter left over. Looks and smells so good. Let's take a taste. These are so good. These are perfect for breakfast, brunch, a snack, or a special dessert. Trust me, these will be a hit for any occasion. The full recipe is in the description below. For more recipes, kitchen product reviews, cooking how-tos, and culinary travel to fun destinations, subscribe to Simple Fantastic Kitchen.